Hallo zusammen. Welcome back to DeutschVision. Today is one of the most practical days of your journey. Why? Because without today's lesson, you can't buy a train ticket, you can't tell someone your age, and you'll definitely miss your dinner dates. We are mastering Zahlen, Daten und Uhrzeit, numbers, dates, and time. German logic is very precise, but it has a few traps that confuse even the best students. By the end of this 10-minute breakdown, those traps won't catch you. Let's get to work. First, the building blocks. Numbers 0 through 12 are unique. You simply have to memorize them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12, it gets easier. From 13 to 19, we just add 10 to the end. For example, 13 is 13. Watch out. For 16 and 17, we drop a few letters. It's not 16, it's 16. It's not 17, it's 17. Then we hit the big milestone, 20, 20. Here is the famous German backwards rule. In English, we say 21. In German, we say 1 and 20. 21, 21. 54, 54. Always start with the small number, add und, and then the big number. This continues all the way to 99, 99. Pro tip, for the tens, 20, 30, 40, we usually add sich, 40, 50, 60. Exception, 30 is 30, with an SZ. Once you hit 100, the logic actually becomes more like English again. 100, 100, or 100. 1,000, 1,000. To say 152, you just stack them. 100, 100, 52, 52. It equals 152. It looks like one giant word, but don't let that scare you. It's just Lego blocks of language. There are two ways to tell time in Germany, official and informal. Official, 24-hour clock. This is for trains, radio, and business. You just say the numbers. 14:30 is 14:30 Uhr. Simple. Informal, 12-hour clock. This is what you say to friends. 14 nach, quarter past. 14 vor, quarter to. Watch out. The biggest trap is the word halb, half. In English, 7:30 means 8:30. In German, 7:30 means halfway to 8, which is 7:30. Halb always refers to the next hour. Finally, the calendar. Days: Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Months: very similar to English. Januar, Februar, März, April. When giving a date, like on the 1st of May, we use the word am and add 10 to the number. Am 1. Mai. That was a lot of information. Now it's time to see how much actually stayed in your brain. We have prepared a 40-question challenge ranging from easy counting to hard time selling. Grab a piece of paper, keep track of your score, and let's see if you can get a perfect 40. Viel Glück! 40 questions down. How did you do? Numbers and time are all about ear training, so if you struggled with the listening parts, go back and watch the explanation one more time. Tomorrow, we dive into the gender of German, definite articles, der, die, and das. Don't miss it. Subscribe to DeutschVision, and I'll see you in episode 6. Bis bald!